Do y'all want to know why the world is so broken right now? Now, I'm specifically going to speak to the Christians here, but of course anyone can stay. I hope you do. But the world is so broken because the body of Christ is not in unity. Go read Psalm 133 and let the Lord speak to you, but I'm going to read it now for you. Behold how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. It is like precious oil upon your head, running down your beard, down the beard of Aaron, running down the edge of his garment. It is like the dew of Hermon, running down the mountains of Zion. For there the Lord commanded the blessing, life forevermore. Wow. How do we expect to be a body if we're divided about non-salvation stuff? You sing this way, I sing this way. You speak in tongues, I don't speak in tongues. Who cares? There's a devil out there destroying this world, and we need to unify in order to beat him. Let's come together, family, because the time is